Welcome to Police Chases Unleashed, where the thrill of police chases, shocking shootouts, and heart-pounding action always awaits you.
Behind your back!
On May 7th, 2023, in North Charleston, Deputy Evan Cubbage was shot 3 times while trying to detain Pierce during a traffic stop. "He's got a gun!" The shout rang out, instantly escalating the situation into a dangerous standoff. The officers were now facing imminent danger, and the chase began under extreme tension. Despite his injuries, Cubbage stayed composed, and with Officer Hodge, returned fire and subdued Pierce, taking control in a life-threatening moment. Pierce was arrested and faced serious charges. Cubbage was hospitalized with non-life-threatening injuries, and both officers were placed on paid leave while the investigation continued.
Put your hands behind your back!
On August 14th, 2021, Leonard Cure, who had been wrongfully imprisoned for 16 years, was shot and killed by a Georgia sheriff's deputy during a traffic stop on I-95. "Step out, put your hands behind your back," the deputy shouted, escalating the situation immediately. Cure initially complied but became agitated when informed he was under arrest.
Step out! Get out! Get out! Put your hands back here.
I ain't doing shit.
Put your damn hands back here.
Who are you?
Staff Sergeant Officer Sheriff's Office.
My name is Count Wayne.
I don't care. Step to the rear of this vehicle.
In the name of who?
In the name of the law of the state of Georgia. Step back here now or you're getting tased.
Cure was pulled over for speeding. After being arrested for speeding and reckless driving, a struggle ensued and the deputy used a taser. Cure lunged at the deputy, leading to the fatal shooting. "Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest," the deputy ordered, but Cure's frustration led to a tragic outcome.
Behind your back or you're getting tased. I'm telling you that right now.
Why am I getting tased?
Because you are under arrest for speeding and reckless driving.
I'm not driving. Nobody was hurt. How was I speeding?
You passed me doing 100 miles an hour.
Okay, so that's a speeding ticket, right?
Sir, tickets in the state of Georgia are criminal offenses.
I don't have a ticket in Georgia.
You do now.
Why?
You passed me doing 100 miles an hour.
Offense and what? Am I going
Hands
to jail?
behind your back. Yes, you are going to jail. Hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Ah, too late.
Gave me the shots fired.
Too late.
Hey, knock my glasses off of me. You can't see.
Hey, this
Authorities claim Cure attacked the deputy, but Cure's family lawyer argued the deputy made the situation worse. Cure was exonerated in 2020 after being wrongfully convicted, but tragically lost his life in this confrontation. On November 5th, 2022, a stolen Dodge Ram was spotted at a gas station in Chamblay. When the suspect noticed a nearby patrol car, he attempted to flee by ramming into it, unaware that 3 additional police vehicles were already in place to block his escape. Within seconds, 4 patrol cars surrounded the truck from all sides, trapping the suspect with no way out. The pursuit ended before it even began as the officers quickly gained control. "Get out of the car! Turn it off!" they ordered, and the suspect was taken into custody without resistance.
Yep, I got you. Okay, go ahead, have a seat.
Man,
Have a seat. Let me figure it out. Have a seat.
I swear, she had me driving that car, bro.
A search of the vehicle revealed a firearm, a key piece of evidence that significantly elevated the severity of the charges the suspect now faces. His claim that "she had me driving that car" and the mention of a weapon in the car did little to change the outcome. The suspect now faces serious charges with the added weight of the firearm. A search of the vehicle revealed a firearm, a key piece of evidence that significantly elevated the severity of the charges the suspect now faces. His claim that "she had me driving that car" and the mention of a weapon in the car did little to change the outcome. The suspect now faces serious charges with the added weight of the firearm.
You guys got a couple of items left here. That's ridiculous. They're hiding on their heads. Open the door. Stand behind. Advise them that I'm in
Now move, Bird. Now move. Now move. Stand your ass up. Face away from me. Let's go. Now.
Dude, just get your hands up. I don't have anything. Hey, you move. I don't have anything. I don't have anything.
That's recording.
Go that way.
I got it. I got it. I can't get it right here. Okay.
Well, that's not what. Still got those up? Rock gravels?
Hey, don't do anything stupid. Keep your hands up. Don't move.
Despite repeated warnings, Adams emerged armed and charged at the officers with the knife in hand. Fearing for their safety and the safety of others, police opened fire when all attempts to de-escalate the situation failed. "The knife is the first shot," one officer shouted, and the tense standoff quickly escalated. Officers ordered him to drop the blanket, warning him that failure to comply would result in being shot. The question remains, was this a necessary use of force to stop a threat, or was the deadly outcome inevitable from the start?
The knife is the knife.
Don't move. You shot me, bro.
Leave that room. Leave the knife.
Do not touch the knife. Shot me, bro.
Ground. We think you have a knife. Then get on the ground and follow my commands, or you're gonna get hurt. And it's not gonna feel good. Get on your knees. Drop the blanket now. Drop the blanket now. If you don't drop that blanket, you're gonna get hit. If you move,
This situation continues to raise the question of the necessity of using force in tense situations. Did the police make the right call in responding to the threat, or was Adams's death unavoidable from the beginning?
hey, get back! Get back, you're getting shot!
Police responded to reports of a team destroying property and attacking a family. The scene was chaotic and danger was evident.
Hey, get back! Get back, you're getting shot!
"Hey, get back! Get back! You're getting shot!" the officer shouted, realizing the severity of the situation. When officers arrived, 17-year-old Gaynor suddenly brandished a knife and charged at them, faced with an immediate threat. The police opened fire in self-defense. Despite receiving medical attention, Gaynor later died at the hospital. The officers attempted to perform CPR, but the situation was beyond saving. On June 27th, a tense confrontation unfolded at a Walmart distribution center when police came face-to-face with an armed suspect. The incident raises questions. Was this act driven by workplace frustration, or were there deeper psychological struggles beneath the surface? These questions remain as investigators try to piece together what truly led to this tragic confrontation. On March 8, 2024, at 10:07 p.m., a 911 call reporting a domestic violence incident prompted Hamilton Township Police to deploy a rapid response team. Okay, I don't really quite understand what he's upset about, but it's a little bit out of control. He does have a lot of guns in the basement. He's a hunter, the caller reported, revealing the dangerous potential of the situation.
Right. You just want to hang out here with my partner?
I do, absolutely. My dog is very sweet.
As officers approached the residence, the situation quickly escalated. 44-year-old Vincent Correa suddenly drew a firearm and opened fire. The officers were forced to respond with force to protect themselves and those nearby.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
I got you.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Yo, whoa, whoa, whoa!
The confrontation raised questions about the appropriate use of force in such volatile situations. The danger was clear, but the tragic outcome still leaves questions about the events leading up to the violent turn and the necessity of the response. On a fateful June 20th, 2025 at 2:20 p.m., Orange County, Florida was rocked. A full SWAT team stormed a suspected drug house on Lunch Street. What was supposed to be a controlled operation quickly unraveled into a dramatic, dangerous confrontation. Is this the cost when caught between the lines of life and death?
Push left! When you reach up! Hands up, hands up! Push in. Put your hands out! Let me see your hands! When you reach up!
Hands up,
Hands up, hands up, hands up! Push in. Hands out! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Hands out! Hands out! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Inside, 32-year-old Tyrone Bartley not only refused to show his hands, but gestured defiantly towards a bedroom door where a rifle lay hidden. As police, armed with a search warrant, bellowed, "Open the door now!" Influential silence signaled a deadly turning point, spiraling the situation beyond anticipated control. Bartley was shot and died. His death near the rifle begs a haunting question. The line between self-defense and deadly confrontation is brutally thin. On a fateful June 7th, 2025 in Orlando, Florida, peace shattered. An Orange County deputy on patrol spotted a suspicious person behind the Save Discount store at 2793 North Hiawassee Road. What seemed like a routine check quickly escalated into a dramatic, violent confrontation. Was this the start of a terrifying ordeal?
Hey boss, what are you doing? Come on, what are you doing? Oh, be careful. Hold on. Guys, I won. Fuck you doing, bro? Fuck you.
As the deputy approached, 24-year-old Charles St. Fleur jumped the fence as if to speak, but instead he grabbed a bag and fled. When the deputy attempted to detain him, St. Fleur suddenly attacked, punching repeatedly, then forced the deputy to the ground, landing at least 10 additional punches to the head while the deputy was down. The brutal fight lasted a harrowing 1 minute and 16 seconds, a truly pivotal moment. Around 4:30 p.m. in 2024, in St. Louis County, Missouri, a Breckenridge Hills officer initiated a traffic stop on a 2014 Lexus near Calvert Avenue and North Avenue for a license plate violation and illegal window tint. What seemed like a routine stop quickly escalated into a dramatic high-speed chase and shootout. What pushed a minor traffic infraction into this life-or-death confrontation?
I'm just asking. You're fine. Okay. Any firearms in the car, anything like that? Okay, all right, give me just 1 second. I'll be right back with you while you're pulling that up.
The driver, 30-year-old Javon Henderson, showed signs of possible intoxication, but refused to exit the vehicle for a field sobriety test. As Henderson fumbled for his insurance card, the officer deftly placed a tire deflation device under one of the tires. Moments later, Henderson recklessly fled the scene, igniting a tense pursuit with lights and sirens. This was the pivotal moment that sent the situation spiraling.
Right here. Come on. I'm one mag. That was one mag.
Hey, switch with me your rifle. I got spares. Here. Go no.
2013.
The chase ended when Henderson lost control near the I-170 on-ramp at Natural Bridge Road, flipping his car into a ditch. But the terror wasn't over. As officers approached the overturned vehicle, Henderson opened fire with a 9mm handgun. 3 officers from Breckenridge Hills and Woodson Terrace immediately returned fire, discharging 87 rounds. Henderson was hit, taken into custody, and rushed to a hospital for emergency treatment. This incident is a chilling reminder of the hidden dangers in every encounter with suspects. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates.